So this is the ASUS. It's like, see this one here. So it's the EEPC Seashell series of course ASUS. It's hard for us now to of course repair this one unless we need to have the hard doing of the repair, since we don't have time for that, and the battery is already broken, so we need to buy a new one, or we need to buy also this part here for our power jack. But what we're gonna be doing this time is we just have to take the hard drive or HDD of this netbook, so that you could of course retrieve the files, and at the same time we can also use the hard drive. So that's the only thing. So how to open this is just follow, since I'm gonna be showing it to you how to open this netbook. We need to have this, of course. This is a flat screw, and you can also use the other tools like this one. I have these tools here, and for our screws. And since we need to have the netbook opened, so what I'm gonna be using is just the flat screw. If you can't, of course, actually we still have this lock here and this one here, but in my case I already have opened this, so we also have to of course unlock this part here so that we could have the keyboard opened, and of course this one, and this is the of course the inside of the netbook. And if you can see here, it's too dusty this time. So you have to unscrew also these screws here, unscrew. Yay. Okay, so it's here now. This is the most important one when it comes to a time that the laptop that you are using could not be used anymore. So here is all your important files can be found. So if you cannot fix this anymore, so be sure that you have this hard drive be saved, since all your files in this netbook, specifically in me, I have all my files here. So this is the most important one. If I could not fix this anymore, then I have to take this. So that's how to, of course, take your HDD, especially if you have the same model with mine. So this is it. So we are gonna be putting this back again.